Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting a Google Sheet now. Sign into your Google account first, then open Sheets. Google.com or the app's grid and click the plus to create. Name the file immediately so you don't lose context. This helps when sharing and organizing. Make sure your browser allows pop-ups for Google and that sync is turned on if you want autosave across devices. Once created, set the sheet's locale and time zone in file settings so currency, dates, and decimal separators behave as expected. Now structure your sheet. Create clear headers in row 1 and freeze that row so you always see labels while scrolling. You'll want consistent formats, apply number, date, or currency formatting, and add data validation or drop-down lists to prevent bad entries. Enter sample rows, then build core formulas like equals SUM range and equals average range. Those calculate totals and trends instantly. Once done, use conditional formatting to highlight anomalies and Control plus Enter to fill multiple selected cells efficiently for faster data entry. Finish by sharing and automating. Click Share, choose Viewer, Commenter, or Editor, and protect ranges when necessary to avoid accidental edits. For automation, add simple functions like equals import range, or equals query, or open extensions app script for custom workflows. These save time and reduce manual repetition. If something goes wrong, sync errors, missing updates, make sure you're signed into the correct account, check offline settings, and clear browser cache. If still stuck, reload the sheet and reapply permissions to resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.